come from Wales, riding my bike around the block. I come from 2 countries, playing in the garden.
I come from a second family.
I come from a family of rebels with a grandfather off-roading a car on
fire.
Living life to the full, going out and enjoying ourselves. Rugby on a Saturday, rock climbing on a Sunday, going to bed, kissing my mummy,
listening to pop on my headphones.
holding a parrot in Lanzarote. More young people to help young people garden and grow in confidence.
Parks suitable for disabled people.
More flags representing other people and wanting no guns and knives. Fears of spiders and any kinds of birds, especially the seagull who stole my sausage in batter.
Being proud of my friends.
Being proud of my mummy because she takes me to the park. Besties taking care of one another.
Being proud with my mummy.
I come from family, friends, community. Meet me at the community.